2024, building a gaming PC can be quite overwhelming. Even trying to pick out a PC case can be quite the task with so many options, and trying to find one that is high quality and affordable is just kind of difficult. Today I'm going to show you a case that not only looks good, but is only $75, comes with 3 RGB fans, and is super easy to build in. That case is the Apevia Prodigy. Now, just a little disclaimer, this video is not sponsored at all, but PCBros does use Apevia Prodigies quite a bit, so we are pretty familiar with them. If you've seen on our website, pretty much all of our staple builds use Apevia Prodigies. Hopefully in this video, I can show you why we like them so much and why we use them so much for our budget builds. So let's get right into the unboxing and see what this case is all about. And here we are. Here is the Apevia Prodigy. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. So let's go ahead and open this up. All right, here is the Apevia Prodigy in all of its glory. We have 3 fans it comes with. It has 2 in the front, 1 in the back here. And it has this very nice tempered glass, which makes it feel more like a higher end case. And of course we have 4 lanes in the back here. We just have these thumb screws. And then on the top, here we have 2 USB ports and then a USB 3.0. We of course have the mic jack and the headphone jack. We have an RGB button and a reset switch. And then we have the power button on top as well. Now you can take this front off if you wanted to replace the fans. And usually hidden in here somewhere, you have the manual. Now let's open up the back here and I will show you what it comes with. The back comes with these RGB hubs. These are pretty nice. Back when we first started to get the Prodigies, they actually had Molex connections for the RGB fans, which wasn't the best, so I'm glad they upgraded this. You get your little hardware set. This one comes in the little bag, and of course the required connections. Now this RGB hub is pretty nice. You just connect it with SATA right here. It has the adhesive. We usually put it right in the middle here or on the power supply. As you can see, you have plenty of room for cable management here. This is actually one of the easier budget cases to cable manage. We quite like it for that reason. All right, let's open up the front here. And on it, the front looks really good for a budget case. We do have the logo right here in the front with the exposed basement. We usually put the PCBros sticker on the power supply, so it looks kind of cool here in the bottom left corner. We have 2 spots for the SSD here, and I will show you what it looks like with a PC all built and on. This case is pretty nice. I mean, it's a very simple budget case here. It does have that nice kind of minimalist aesthetic without sacrificing a lot of quality. And then on the bottom here we have 3 holes. We have these to help organize and cable manage for the motherboard, and then we have this one for the GPU as well. And we have all these standoffs in here set for the micro ATX. There's more standoffs in the bag of hardware. So yeah, this simple case, $75. It's really hard to beat. It's easy to build in. You get the 3 RGB fans it comes with, and it offers some nice upgrade potential. You can do this in a very low end build. You can go up to a little bit higher to the mid-range section. I mean, this PC case is very nice, and I think the aesthetic just fits a lot of builds here. There is a ton of settings, perhaps too many on the RGB fans. I'll show you here in a second with a fully built PC in this case. But yeah, before when we were ordering these, our main complaint was that Molex connection for the RGB. It was kind of annoying because it would come undone in shipping, so we would have to zip tie it, and sometimes those pins would come undone. So we are very happy that is now a regular RGB hub with SATA here. So let me go ahead and show you what this looks like built and all the RGB on. And here's what a full build looks like in the Apevia Prodigy. You got tons of settings here. Won't even be able to get through all of them. That tempered glass looks absolutely perfect with that RGB coming through it. And this is a little bit of a nicer build. You can see the power supply through that basement like I showed before. If you're curious on how to build in a case like this and want a step-by-step guide, here's a few videos right here. The links will be down below. Thank you all so much for watching. Hopefully now you see that this is a valid budget case here for $75. And if you're looking to build a budget gaming PC, definitely check it out. That link will be in the description as well. Hopefully this video helped you at least narrow down what to look for in a good budget case. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments down below what other PC Bros videos you want to see. And I'll see you all in the next one.